To remove either of the front doors on your vehicle, first, roll down the window to prevent any damage. Find the supplied toolkit inside the center console and use the number T50 Torx head driver to remove the hinge pin screws from the upper and lower outside hinges of the door. You'll find a bolt tray with dedicated slots to hold each of the hinge pin screws. You can stow them in the slots provided. Next, find the plastic wiring access door under the instrument panel. Slide the cover straight back toward the rear of the vehicle to detach the tabs and remove the cover. Do not try to pry it back or outward, or you could damage the plastic cover. Now it's time to disconnect the wiring harness. First, push the red locking tab upward to unlock the harness. If you feel behind the wiring harness, you'll note the presence of a black security tab. Push down on the security tab, and at the same time, lift up on the harness lever. Once the harness lever is up and in the open position, pull the harness straight down to disconnect it. Store the wiring connector in the lower door basket. Finally, use the number T40 Torx head driver to remove the check screw from the center door check and stow it in the bolt tray. You can now open the door, lift it clear of the hinge pins, and remove the door. To reinstall the doors, carefully reverse these removal steps. You'll note a longer pin on the upper hinge. This helps guide the door into place during reinstallation. Keep in mind, these doors are heavy. Please use caution during removal and reinstallation. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.